The real world has shifted dramatically where different sets of skills and tools are required to be successful in the workplace today. The education system we use today was developed in the previous century when times were different and more simple. The workplace isn't the same it was compared to 50 years ago. Technology has been and is continuously advancing. This has overall caused a rapid decrease in factory jobs. Students today must be proficient in different areas in order to be successful nowadays. First, it is important for teachers to be digitally literate. They must be digitally literate in order to be able to effectively teach their students to also be digitally literate. Both students and teachers must explore and understand fundamental concepts of technology in order to gather information for research and create meaningful conclusions. Not only must students know how to use technology, but it is also important for students to use it safe and ethically. They should also know their rights of using and sharing property. Secondly, critical thinking skills are very important. More complex, real-world issues such as global warming are coming about. Our students will have to think critically to solve these complex situations. In order to be a critical thinker, students must know how to gather information using different strategies and resources. They should also know how to collect data, use tools to analyze, compare, and evaluate claims, interpret their findings, all in order to make sensible conclusions. Critical thinkers solve many different problems and learn from it by reflecting. Next, technology allows people all over the world to communicate clearly and effectively. So, students must be efficient communicators. They must also be good listeners to be good communicators. It is important for them to be able to articulate their thoughts and ideas not only orally but also written and non-verbally. Good communicators know how to use their words for different purposes, including motivating, instructing, informing, and persuading. Communication skills also go hand in hand with technology skills. There's many ways to communicate, and students should take advantage of that. Next, while students should be good communicators, collaboration is also very important. Today's world allows for the people to become very interconnected. It is possible to easily communicate with anyone across the world. Why not take advantage of as many minds as possible? 2 minds is better than 1, and collaboration and working together means more diverse and different perspectives. It is also more effective and works faster towards a common goal. Lastly, creativity is also an essential skill. In order for students to create visions, they must first be able to creatively think and come up with new original ideas. Not only must they come up with their own ideas, but they must also know how to refine other ideas for improvement. It is also important that they know how to communicate their ideas. In conclusion, the skills required for success in the workplace have evolved greatly, and different skills in the 21st century students are now more important, and it is vital that they are taught.